Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. So a lot of people have asked me about AI models, AI tools to speak English fluently and confidently. So a lot of questions have come to me in which they have asked me about how we can use AI tools or AI chatbots to improve our English communication skills or to improve our English speaking skills, and how AI tools or different AI chatbots or different AI models can help us to improve our English speaking. And that is why I've started coming up with sessions on AIs only. So my first session was on Perplexity, which I love to use. The second one was Copilot, which is another great AI tool. In my last session, I have spoken about Gemini, which I was surprised to see it has a lot of features which can help you in different ways. So I have explained it to you how it can help us in writing correct English, learning grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and improving our English communication skills or English speaking skills by solving puzzles, quizzes, etc. So it gives us an interactive platform also where we can learn a lot of things to improve our English. Okay, so I have discussed everything in detail in my last session. Please go and watch those videos. It is absolutely going to help you in improving your English speaking skills. And guys, I would suggest you to start exploring these tools because we have to go ahead with technology. Right now, it is not about classroom programs or going to a coaching center and learning the language. It's more about technology. Everything is there on your fingertips. You have to utilize that. You have to use that to your advantage. You browse social media, you are on YouTube, you do a lot of things on your mobile, on your laptop. Why can't we start utilizing these platforms to start learning English, right? Start exploring these AI tools. It is absolutely going to help you. So guys, today again I've decided to come up with a conversation session with Gemini. Okay, I'm going to have a conversation with Gemini and I'm going to show you the screen as well where I'm going to talk to the AI, how it is, what all options are there, how you can have a conversation. Okay, so things will be very clear for you and you will definitely enjoy it. It's very interesting and it will help you to start using these platforms. And that is the best thing. Okay, so guys, let's learn something new today. Well, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So I'm going to use Google's Gemini and its voice mode. Okay, this is a chat bot which will help me in having a conversation with the chat bot. Okay, so I'm going to take it one by one. I'm going to show you the home screen first, how it looks, what buttons you need to press, how you can talk, what all prompts you have to give. Everything you'll get to know in this session. Okay, let's start. So I press this button on Google search bar. It says meet AI mode. Okay, there are lots of questions also there so that you get a clue what you can talk about or how you can give a prompt. So it says help me pack for my trip to Kerala next week. Compare leather sofas versus fabric sofas. And how to identify if Pashmina shawl I'm buying is genuine. So lots of questions you can ask about different things, right? If you have any confusion, if you have any doubt, if you want to clarify anything, you can just put it there and you will get the answers. Okay, but right now we are not interested in all these stuffs. Let's get to conversation practice in English. Let's see how it goes. So I will just switch on. Okay. So there's a mic and let's speak. Now, how can we have a voice chat here? So there's a button which I'm going to click and it will help you to have a voice chat with a chatbot. Hi Gemini, can you please help me with English conversation practice?
Certainly. Would you prefer practicing through text or voice conversation?
I love to have a voice conversation with you.
Great. Please go ahead and start speaking to practice your English conversation.
Okay, the problem is I don't have any clue about what topic I can talk to you in English.
That's perfectly alright. How about we try something fun like a would you rather game? Would you rather have the ability to fly or be invisible?
Oh wow, that sounds interesting. I would rather be I would rather like to fly than being invisible.
Interesting choice. Can you tell me why you would prefer to fly over being invisible?
Well, I love visiting different places. So if I will be able to fly, I can see a lot of places. I can take a world tour. I can have fun.
That sounds like an amazing adventure. Imagining a world tour by flying is a fantastic way to see different places. What kind of places would you like to visit first?
I would love to visit Switzerland. I would love to visit Paris. I would love to visit the lots. There's a big list I would love to visit. So it's so difficult to choose one.
It sounds like you have a wonderful list of dream destinations. Switzerland and Paris are both beautiful choices. If you could fly to any one of those places right now, which one would be at the top of your list?
Switzerland, of course.
Switzerland in autumn, particularly September, offers breathtaking views with fewer tourists and pleasant weather. Would you like to know more about it, or would you prefer a different conversation topic?
No, I would love to continue with this topic. I just want to know what is the local cuisine of Switzerland, what I can try there.
In Switzerland, you absolutely have to try fondue, which is melted cheese in a pot for dipping bread, and raclette, where you melt cheese and scrape it over potatoes and other sides. For a savory treat, there's rosti, which is like a crispy potato pancake, and of course, you can't go to Switzerland without having some of their famous chocolate and pastries. Would you like to know more about any of these dishes?
No, these are all my favorites. I would love to try them in Switzerland, of course. What about you? Let's see.
Since I'm an AI, I don't have the ability to eat or have favorite foods like humans do. But I can process information about different dishes, and it sounds like you have some excellent choices for your trip to Switzerland. Do you want to continue our conversation about travel or switch to a different topic?
Okay, so I just one more query I have. What kind of clothes I should pack for my Switzerland trip?
Given the varying altitudes and potential for unexpected weather changes in Switzerland, it's a good idea to pack layers. This way you can add or remove clothes as needed throughout the day. For your Switzerland trip, consider bringing layered clothing. Pack short and long sleeve shirts, sweaters, and a waterproof or water resistant jacket or coat. Warmth and waterproofing. Warm clothing like sweaters or a fleece jacket, along with a waterproof outer layer, are important, especially for higher altitudes and unexpected rain or early snow in autumn. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes for walking are a must, with a pair of sturdy, comfortable walking shoes being a versatile option for walks and higher altitudes. Accessories for warmth. Don't forget accessories like scarves, gloves, and hats that can be added for warmth and style. Rain protection. A light raincoat or umbrella is a good idea in case of rain. Sun protection. Include sunglasses and sunscreen for sun protection, especially at higher altitudes. Would you like to know more about packing for specific activities or destinations in Switzerland?
No, just one last thing I want to know is whether Switzerland is more about landscapes or mountains.
Switzerland is renowned for both its stunning mountains and diverse landscapes, including rolling hills, lakes, and rivers. If there's anything else you'd like to discuss or practice, let me know.
No, thanks a lot for your time, Gemini. I really had a great time with you. Thank you so much for all the useful information.
You're most welcome. It was a pleasure chatting with you. Have a wonderful day.
Great. Bye-bye. Thanks. So guys, this was a wonderful chat with Gemini AI, right? I love chatting with this AI. The question was so unique. It was so good. I was really interested in talking about it more and more. It was so fun talking on this topic. So in this way, guys, if you get used to talking to AI chatbots, you will get a lot of different type of questions, different type of suggestions, so that you can start speaking on it. It will be impromptu, it will be instant, it will be on the spot. But the best thing here is you can take your time, you can pause, you can relax, you can think about your question, you can frame a question, and then you can reply. So you can take your own time. There's no hurry here. So that is the best part of using a chatbot. You can frame your questions, you can start asking it, you can have a discussion. In this way, you'll start gaining confidence in speaking. Whether your English is correct or not is a different question. First, you have to start practicing asking questions, framing answers, right? And that is very important. And that is what you will be able to do with the chatbots. And that is why I am emphasizing on using AI tools or these chatbots to start speaking in English. It has a lot of advantages, guys. Start, try, do it right now, and you will see a lot of difference, at least after 15 days or a month for sure, if you start using this. And on my screen, you would have seen that there are lots of suggestions also. When you ask a question, it gathers all the information on different sites and it displays there, from where these suggestions the AI is picking up. So the source is also there. You can go back and look at it, right? So that is why it's very interesting, useful, and helpful as well. Okay, so it gives the sources also, and it helps you to know a lot of things, right? It will help you to gather all the information, and it will summarize it, and it will share it with you. Okay, so start using these AI tools. It's very interesting, guys. Every time you'll get a new question, every time you'll get a new experience. It will be fun talking to these chatbots. You can take your time, no hurry, no worry. Frame your questions. Try doing it better the next time. Okay, that's absolutely fine. You can ask the AI to correct as well. It will help you to correct your sentences as well. So just try to give right prompt, what you want to actually do. So think about what you actually want to do and then prompt the AI. Use the voice mode, that is the best, and things will definitely become easier for you to learn this language or to start speaking this language fluently and confidently. That is my guarantee. And definitely you'll enjoy the process and you'll have fun talking. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.